Okay. Malachi's doing a ferro rod fire using a wet fire tinder cube.
There's the white spot right there.
There you go.
There we go.
A little more.
Almost got it. I almost got it.
You did. You can do it.
Ooh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Almost. Don't give up. So you want those sparks to be down close to your tinder. There you go. Now get out. No, get out. Now grab that stuff there and put it on there. You can go a little faster. You can grab a little bit more at a time. Put that whole thing on there, Malachi.
Oh, like all at once?
All of it. Yep. There you go. Okay, now grab some of those bigger ones right there.
The big ones?
Yep. Hurry, hurry. Put them on there, right on top. Not off to the side, but right on top. There you go. Try to...
Can't believe I started this fire all by myself.
You did. You did awesome. Get some more stuff. Get that big stuff left there.
Perfect.
Get it in there.
Let's go.
Get this one here.
Oh, we're like doing the big stuff.
Well, that little stuff's going to burn up quick.
Yeah.
Once it burns up, it's going to want to go out.
Oh, that was very bad.
It's all right. Go like this.
Lay this stuff on, Jay?
No. We can leave that. See those other round ones on the left side that are kind of burned already? Mm-hmm. See if you can get those directly over the middle of that fire.
Which side should I do it from?
Right there. You can come around this way.
But that looks too close to the fire.
That's all right. We'll go like this. There we go. Just like that. Hey, what do you think, man?
Well, I started that fire by myself.
Yep.
And
Ferro rod's a pretty cool way to start a fire, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You did good. Give me 5. All right. Cool. You want to get over there on the other side so you're in it?
Mm-hmm. I started this